Image and video analytics important 2 marks discuss பண்ணிரலாம். First question, define computer vision. So enables machine to interpret visual data like images and videos, uses algorithms to extract, analyze and understand visual features. So applied in fields like robotics, surveillance and autonomous vehicles. Purpose of data structures in image analysis, efficient storage and retrieval of pixels and feature data, supports operations like filtering, segmentation and labeling, enables scalable processing for large image dataset. What is image processing? Enhances image quality by removing noise and distortions, normalizes brightness, contrast and resolution, prepares the data for accurate feature extraction and classification. Importance of noise in image restoration. So noise degrades image clarity and affects analysis accuracy. So identifying noise type helps choose suitable restoration filters. So reduces false detections and improves visual fidelity. So popular method for object detection: YOLO, you only look once, real-time detection with high speed, SSD, single shot detector, efficient for mobile and embedded system, faster RCNN, high accuracy using region proposals and CNNs. So RCNN in object detection, so generates region proposals using selective search, applies CNN to each region for feature extraction, classifies objects and refines bounding boxes. Real-time applications of face recognition, biometric authentication in smartphones and laptops, automated attendance in schools and offices, security surveillance in airports and public spaces. So deep face by Facebook aligns faces using 3D modeling for consistent input, lands deep facial representations using neural networks, achieves near human accuracy in face verification task. Common use cases of video analytics: detecting suspicious activities in surveillance footage, analyzing customer behavior in retail environment, monitoring traffic flow and vehicle violations. Advantages of Inception v3: uses factorized convolutions for reduced computational cost, improves classification accuracy with a deeper architecture, supports multi-scale feature extraction for complex scenes. Next set question: compare grayscale image with color images. Grayscale images contain only intensity information, typically using 256 shades from black to white. But color image includes multiple channels representing hue, saturation and brightness. Grayscale images are computationally lighter and faster to process, while color images offer richer visual detail. Basic properties of an image in computer vision: resolution, intensity and color channel. So resolution means number of pixels in width and height affecting image clarity. Intensity, brightness level of each pixel, crucial for grayscale and feature detection. Color channel, RGB or other formats that define the color composition of each pixels. Distinguish local preprocessing in frequency domain versus spatial domain. Spatial domain methods operate directly on pixel values using filters like Gaussian or median. Frequency domain methods transform the image using Fourier transform and modify frequency components. Spatial domain is intuitive and localized. Frequency domain is powerful for global noise and pattern suppression. Then parametric edge models and their use in image analysis. Parametric edge models define edges using mathematical functions like step, ramp or sigmoid curves. They help in detecting edge transition by filtering parameters to intensity changes, used in edge detection algorithm to locate object boundaries and enhance segmentation accuracy. Key features of RCNN family: bounding box approach, that is called. So region proposal strategy: RCNN models generate bounding boxes to localize potential objects before classification. Feature extraction via CNNs: each proposed region is passed through the convolutional neural network to extract deep features for accurate object recognition. Evaluation across variants: faster CNN and faster RCNN improve speed and accuracy by integrating region proposal and classification into a unified pipeline. Bounding box approach, definition and use. A bounding box is a rectangular frame that encloses an object in an image. It defines the object's location using coordinates x, y, width and height. Used in object detection to localize and classify objects within scenes. Then FaceNet and its contribution to face recognition. FaceNet maps faces to a compact Euclidean space using deep embeddings. It enables face verification, recognition and clustering with high accuracy. Uses triplet class to train the network for distinguishing similar and dissimilar faces. 8th one, key steps in face recognition process. Face detection, feature extraction, face matching. Face detection locates and extracts faces from images or video frames using bounding boxes. So in feature extraction, converts facial region into numerical embeddings using deep learning models like FaceNet or DeepFace. Face matching compares embeddings using distance metrics to verify or identify individuals. 9th one, application of ResNet and Inception v3 in video analytics. ResNet uses residual connections to enable deep feature learning for object tracking, action recognition and anomaly detection. Inception v3 employs multi-scale convolutions for efficient classification and scene understanding in video frames. Both models enhance accuracy and speed in real-time video analysis tasks like surveillance, traffic monitoring and behavioral analytics. Last one, skip connections in deep neural networks. Definition: skip connections allow the output of one layer to bypass intermediate layers and connect directly to a deeper layer. Okay, what is the purpose of these skip connections? They help mitigate vanishing gradient problems and enable training of very deep networks. Example used in ResNet architecture to preserve feature integrity and improve convergence speed. So these are some basic questions in image and video analytics. ஸோ இதை பார்க்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஐடியா கிடச்சிருக்கும். ஸோ எந்த மாதிரி வந்து 2 மார்க்ஸ் வந்து கேட்குறாங்க அப்படின்னு. ஸோ இந்த டாபிக்ஸை வந்து கொஞ்சம் கவர் பண்ணுங்கள், கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொடுத்து படிங்க. எந்த போர்ஷன்லேருந்தெல்லாம் 2 மார்க்ஸ் கேட்குறாங்க அப்படிங்கிறத கொஞ்சம் கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ணி படிங்க. ஓகேவா? ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். தேங்க்யூ.